Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS5 remote engine starter kit installed in this very brand new 2023 Mini Countryman JCW. Just give you a quick demonstration of how the remote car starter works. To start this vehicle, you have three options. You can use long-range two-way remote controls. You can use a smartphone app so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. And you can also use the factory mini key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. To start the vehicle, simply press the lock button 3 times. And on the last press and hold it for 2 seconds. The park lights will confirm. There it is, it's now running. And with this remote starter, it can also activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats at your desired temperature level settings, as long as the interior temperature of the vehicle is below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit when you remote start the vehicle. And the default runtime is 15 minutes, and if you'd like to turn the vehicle off before that, simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button. To find a dealer near you, please see the Eurostart website, www.eurostart.com, and click on the dealer locator link. Alright, thanks for watching.